Hello and welcome to the Campus Nights. My name is Sonali and today we're joined by the Office of Student Involvement to share everything you should know before attending the Spirit Splash. If you are a Knight, then you would know that this is our biggest tradition here at UCF, and it has also been recognized by the Florida Leader magazine as the best university tradition in the state. Before we get into our tips, let's hear about some history on this event.
So in 1995, the SGA president was holding a pep rally here at the fountain, and some students pushed him in and the rest of the student body followed. A couple years later, it was coined the term Spirit Splash. And ever since then, it's been a huge event where all the students run in and we throw limited edition, one-of-a-kind rubber ducks at you.
All right, let's get into our tips.
Wear a bathing suit or other comfy clothes you don't mind getting wet. As for shoes, stay away from flip-flops because they'll slow you down and definitely fall off.
It can get crowded in the pond, so be sure to be safe and cautious of your surroundings.
Make sure to get lots of sunscreen because the Florida sun is hot and you'll regret it if you don't.
The best photo op is with the giant inflatable duck. Trust me, you won't miss it.
At the event, there will be a DJ, the UCF Spirit Team, the UCF Marching Knight, football and basketball players. So get hyped!
Hydrate before the event. Like we said, it gets really hot. If you need sunglasses, pick a pair that you don't mind falling off or croquis that stay to your head. And as for hats, same thing goes. Wear a hat that you don't mind falling off.
Only bring things that can get wet. Make sure to leave your bags at home.
Pay it forward. If you catch more than one duck, share with your fellow Knights.
Thank you so much for watching this episode of the Campus Nights.
For more information on Spirit Splash and other homecoming events, follow the link in the description box below.
Don't forget to subscribe to us on YouTube and follow us on Instagram at ucf.edu. I'll see y'all in our next video. Bye!